Hi friends, this is Bits for Homoeo. Welcome back to today's new topic is hemoptysis. As we know that every difficult topic can be made simple by Bits per Homoeo. Today we are going to discuss the topics hemoptysis and the causes with a simple mnemonic. Coming to the definition of the hemoptysis, it is the expectoration or coughing up the blood from the respiratory tract. It may be two types. It is of two types. Coming to the true hemoptysis and other one is false hemoptysis. Coming to the true hemoptysis means the blood from the lungs or the bronchial tree it come out through the mouth while coughing. Coming to the false hemoptysis, it means hemorrhages from the nose, mouth, pharynx, larynx. These are the basic types which differentiate the true hemoptysis and false hemoptysis and the causes. Coming to the causes, with this simple mnemonic we can remember the causes of the hemoptysis. That is, just remember the word battle camp. Here CAMP, just remember it has three A's: camp, battle camp. With this simple mnemonic we can remember all the causes of the hemoptysis. MP. Coming to the B for the bronchitis and bronchiectasis. And A for the aspergilloma, T for the tumor, and another T for tuberculosis, and L for the lung abscess, and E for the emboli pulmonary, that is pulmonary embolysis. And coming to the camp, C for the coagulopathy. And A for the autoimmune disorders. And remember these two: good posture syndrome and Wegener syndrome. And another A for AV malformations, and A for the alveolar hemorrhage, and M for the mitral stenosis, it is a cardiac cause, and P for the pneumonia. If you like this mnemonic and the way of presenting, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and comment it what to improve in the next videos, and please suggest. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.